Have you ever had hiccups that just won't stop? Let's find out why. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, a muscle under your lungs, suddenly contracts. This quick squeeze makes you breathe in fast, and your vocal cords snap shut, making the funny hike sound. Hiccups can start from eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even laughing a lot. Your body doesn't mean to do it. It's just a little mix-up in your nerves. Most hiccups go away on their own, but they sure can be silly. When was your last hiccup? Tell us in the comments and follow for more fun facts.